Finding camps like this is exactly why I love getting off the pavement and just exploring. Today I followed the Rio Grande deep into the Colorado backcountry, chasing fall colors and hoping to stumble onto something special. And it didn't take long. The drive in was one of those you don't rush. Golden aspens lining the road, leaves flickering in the sunlight, and that crisp mountain air that just hits different this time of year. Every turn opened up another view, mountains layered in reds, yellows, and deep greens, and the river winding through it, all like it's guiding the way. Running a stock F-150 out here reminds me you don't need a fully built rig to experience places like this. Just get out, take it slow, and let the trail lead you somewhere worth stopping. Eventually I found it. Quiet pull-off right along the Rio Grande. No crowds, no noise, just the sound of the current moving over the rocks and wind brushing through the trees. That's when you know you found the right spot. Setting up camp here felt almost unreal. The river reflecting fall colors, mountains rising in every direction, and the sun starting to dip low enough to paint everything gold. It's the kind of view that makes you pause for a minute. Not for the camera, just for yourself. As evening rolled in, temperatures dropped, and the light softened. A small campfire, something warm to eat, and nothing but open space around me. These are the moments that make the miles worth it. Disconnecting from everything and just being present in a place most people drive right past. Trips like this aren't about conquering the hardest trail or pushing the limits. Sometimes it's just about finding somewhere peaceful, somewhere beautiful, and calling it home for the night. Waking up here tomorrow with the river flowing and the mountains lit by sunrise. It's going to be hard to beat. And honestly, this is why I keep coming back to Colorado.